All right, well, I'm cleaning up the garage, and I've got a little bit more work that I'm doing here. What I'm working on right now is really just cleaning up the wiring and preparing for my. I have a adjustable speed flasher relay. You can see I just put a ton of zip ties in here, and this is the relay I'm going to replace with the adjustable one. And the other thing that I'm going to do is I got this bracket. I think this was originally actually a bracket for the horn, but it seems to fit perfectly to mount this washer over to the bolt, which is right there. I just have to Dremel a little bit so that it fits. So let me go ahead and do that, and let's see if I can get this bolt to fit. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take this bolt, go through here, and just mount this guy. And it seems to basically fit, but I need to just make a little bit more. So I found a bracket that was exactly the right size. I thought that might be it, and I realized it's actually the bracket for the horn, but it had a nice threaded hole for this, and so this is what I'm using it for, since I already have one for the horn. So it connects basically the radio to this bracket to the washer motor and the wiper motor. That is, so look at that. Solid. That's not going anywhere. And here I've kind of made my trailer wiring, and I have a ton of these little zip ties. Everything is pretty solidly in place. Nothing's gonna move. I can clip off all of these little extra tabs. And the next thing I'm gonna do is get my I have 1, 2, 3. Those are all the window rubber for the side quarters and the back windshield. So I'm going to clean off those and get the rubber around there. I still have to do the rest of the Siless and put in the headliner before I can actually install those windows, but one thing at a time. All right, well, it's pretty much the same process as with the front windshield. So this is my rear windshield. It's the smaller version for 1961, and I'm gonna clean this off. See what I have to razor blade off. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean this off and set it aside, and then I'm gonna do the 2/4. First quarter glass. The quarter glass was already cleaned off. So let's see. Okay, again, this is Look rubber, so that is why it has no channel for the an aluminum inset. All right, that's done. And also set this one aside up top here. Take a look at our final progress. So, final progress is that I have the rear windshield. Looks like this basically. Look rubber all around it. And I have that's the back left quarter. It's the back right quarter. They're not going to be pop outs initially because this is what I've got. So these are ready for the headliner, and I can now dispose of all this garbage and get to work on my sound insulation on the inside of the vehicle and just getting closer to the headliner. All right, so I thought I'd just finish off this video with just a few more of the Siless sound dampening. So I'm just gonna do maybe one. I'll cut one, and this is where I'll end this video. So you can see I got it on the roof. I got the one that I did under the battery pad because I wanted to install the battery. I put them in the side quarters here, and I put some of it on the back. Now first thing I got to do is just get a piece that's gonna go right over this right here. So I'm just going to cut it to fit. I'll set this here. All right, hopefully that fits perfectly. Let's take a look. So, comes up to here. down here, and then kind of fits into these areas where the, so that looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the backing and push this into place. So you have to be careful of this aluminum foil stuff because it'll paper cut you like crazy. Well, you should use gloves the whole time, but I'm just going to do this one piece and then get this video prepared. So if you like these Volkswagen videos, just subscribe or like or share it. And I'm at, I think, 460 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000. So help me out if you can. All right, that is one more piece of the Siless. See, it goes around these guys and up there. So, you know, I gotta keep cutting this stuff out, and I have to contour it over here everywhere where there's any kind of vibration from the engine or any kind of sheet metal is going to get this stuff. So, all right, that's it for now. Next video is going to be probably the variable speed variable speed flasher relay, and more Siless around the inside here, and hopefully eventually coming up on the floor pan.